this is Lilith here and welcome to another one of my videos for Altanu. Now you're being spoiled today because this is my second video featuring the Leaf Medallion Stamp Set. So with this new set I'm going to put the focus on this lovely design which we have here. Now in my first video I created a wreath using all of the leaves, working my way from the largest one to the smallest one, but now I'm going to use them separately, and I'm using the new Gentleman's Grey ink set. And these are lovely greys. I just love these. They complement all the colors we already have really nicely. But I do think these ones are really a true gray, where the other ones have more like maybe brownish tints or kind of more bluish tints to them. This one is a really true gray. So I'm going to be stamping a medium size and a smaller size one, and just variating the shades of color and just working my way around my 8.5 by 11 sheet of smooth white cardstock until I'm happy with the background design. There are some really lovely sentiments on this set, and they're really simple, and I do love using these when I create my scrapbook layouts. So I'm going to be using the word love, and I'm stamping it 3 times, creating a visual triangle, and I'm going to probably add maybe another 1 or 2 of these lovely sentiments. And once again I am picking different colors just to create a bit of contrast. I really want to focus on that lovely background, so I'm going to keep the rest really simple, and I'm going to use this lovely chipboard sticker. Oh, sorry, it isn't a chipboard sticker. It is one of the flowers which I cut out from a pattern paper from the Reflection scrapbook collection. I love doing this. I am really into fussy cutting now. I never used to like it, but at the moment I find it really relaxing, and it means I can use my papers maybe in a different way than just using the whole 12 by 12 sheet. So I cut out this lovely flower and a couple of those beautiful flower petals, and just pop them down at the bottom once again, just to create a little bit of detail and a pop of color. And then all I have to do is add a couple of finishing touches, like these lovely little wood birds. This just adds a different color and just makes the photo pop out even more. And now I'm just rummaging through my leftovers just to see what I'm going to use as a title. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got any questions, just pop them in the comment section, and I have one more video lined up using this lovely leaf medallion set.